Stop scrolling. Discover the land of tea, rhinos, and river islands. Welcome to Assam. Did you know Assam has its own state anthem? Mur Apunar Desh sets the vibe. And speaking of vibes, Guwahati is home to the Maa Kamakhya Temple, India's largest Shaktipith. The Ahom dynasty ruled Assam for a whopping 600 years, India's longest continuous dynasty. Nature lovers, Assam's got you covered with not one but two World Heritage Sites, Kaziranga National Park and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. Think islands are cool? Assam boasts the world's largest river island, Majuli, and the smallest, Umananda. Ever heard of Sualkuchi? Known as the Manchester of Assam, it's the world's biggest weaving village. Got you intrigued? There's more. From Asia's oldest amphitheater in Sibsagar to the world's largest tea-growing state, Assam is a treasure trove of wonders. So next time you plan a trip, make sure Assam is at the top of your list. Hit that like and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.